Welcome back, dear students. Today we are going to continue exercise 7.1, question number 6. Name the type of a quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reason for your answer. Okay, so here three questions are given. So we are going to start one by one. Okay, so first question number 1. Let A -1 -2, B 1 0, C -1 2 and D -3 0 given. So first find out a distance between all points. Okay, so find out first distance between A to B. Okay, so it is denoted by AB. So we can write AB is equals to in under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So for that coordinate of A is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2, yes or no? So we are going to find out distance between A to B. So see, x2 minus x1, it means 1 minus 1 square, yes or no? So we can write in square root 1 minus 1 square plus y2 minus y1, it means 0 minus 2 square. So we get square root, see 1 minus minus gives plus, so 1 plus 1, we get 1 plus 1 square plus 0 plus 2 square, because minus minus again plus. So we get in under root 1 plus 1 gives 2, so 2 square plus 0 plus 2, it gives again 2 square. So we get square root 2 square gives 4 plus 2 square gives 4. So we get under root 8. Okay, see here also we can find a square root of 8. Okay, but no need to find, because we are going to check, okay, simply distance. So next find out distance between B to C. Okay, so BC equals to, so we are going to apply same formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equals to, so for BC, a coordinate of B is x1 y1 and C is x2 y2. So we get -1 whole square. Okay, so we can write -1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square, 2 minus 0 whole square. So we get under root -1 minus minus gives plus, so we get -1 plus 1 square plus 2 minus 0. Okay, sorry, here I have some mistake, minus plus 1, so see simply we can plus, so we get minus 1 square and 2 minus 0 gives 2 square. So we get -1 gives -2 square. Okay, -2 square plus 2 square as it is. So again we get -2 square gives 4, so 4 plus 4, so we get again square root of under root square root 8. Next find out distance between C to D. Okay, so coordinate of C is -1 2, C is -1 2 and D is -3 0, -3 0. So find out C to D. So under root, see, so x1 y1 is -1 2 and x2 y2 is -3 0. So we can write x2 minus x1. Okay, formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square is equals to under root, see, -3 minus -1 square plus y2 minus 1, it means 0 minus 2 square. So we get under root, see, -3 plus 1, -3 plus 1 square plus -2 square. So we get -3 plus 2, it gives again -2 square plus -2 square. So it gives 2 square gives 4 or -2 square gives again 4. So 4 plus 4, it gives again square root of 8. Next we are going to find out a distance between A to D. Okay, so the coordinate of A is -1 -2. A is -1 -2 and D is -3 0. So find out distance between A to D. So use same formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square is equals to, we get, see, so x2 minus x1, -3 plus 1, -3 plus 1 square plus 0 plus 2 square is equals to -3 plus 1, it gives -2 square plus 0 plus 2, so it gives 2 square. So we get -2 square gives 4 plus 2 square also 4. So we get square root of 8. Now see, so we get all sides are same, yes or no? All sides are same. See, AB is under root 8, BC is also under root 8, CD is also under root 8 and AD is also under root 8. So also we are going to find out diagonals. Okay, we are going to find out diagonals. Okay, so find out A to C and B to D, yes or no? A to D. Now for the diagonal AD, the coordinate of A is -1 -2. Okay, AC, find out AC. C is -1 2, C is -1 2. Okay, so we can write AC equals to square root of x2 minus x1 square, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square is equals to, see, -1 plus 1, -1 plus 1 square, because in between we are going to use minus sign, so we get plus, because x2 minus x1, so minus minus gives plus, plus y2 minus y1, it means 2 plus 2 square, so we get -1 plus 1 gives 0, so 0 square gives 0 plus 2 plus 2 gives 4 and 4 square gives 16. So 0 plus 16 gives square root of 16 and square root of 16 gives 4. Next also we are going to find out B to D. Okay, so coordinate of B is 1 0 and D is -3 0. So BD is equals to, we can write square root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So we get, see, x2 means -3 minus 1 square, x1 is 1 plus 0 minus 0 square, 0 minus 0 square, so it gives 0, so no need to write. So we get square root -3 minus 1, it gives -4 square plus 0 square, it gives 0. So square root of, see, in square root -4 square, it gives 16 and square root of 16 gives 4. Now see, we can write from equation number 1, it is known equation number 2, it is called equation number 3, is called equation number 4, then is called equation number 5 and is called equation number 6. So from equations 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, AB equals to, see, A to B equal to B to C, B to C equal to C to D equal to A to D. Also diagonals are same, it means, and AC equals to BD. Now see, here all sides as well as diagonals are same, it means given quadrilateral is square. Is it clear? So it can be observed that all sides are of the same length, yes or no? Same length, and also the diagonals are of the same length. Therefore the given points are the vertices of a square, are the vertices of a square. Is it clear? Okay. Next, question number 2. Let a minus 3 5, b 3 1, c 0 3 and d minus 1 minus 4 are given. So first find out distance between a to b. So AB is equals to, we can write x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So we get under root, see here x2 is 3, 3 minus minus plus, so 3 plus 3 square, 3 plus 3 square plus y2 minus y1, it means 1 minus 5 square. So we get 3 plus 3, it means 6 square, then 1 minus 4, it means minus 4 square, it means 6 6 are 36 plus 4 4 are 16. So we get 6 plus 6 12 and 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5, so we get 52. So we get the distance between A to B is square root 52. Next find out distance between B to C. So we are going to use the same formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So for BC, x2 0, x1 3, so 0 minus 3 square plus y2 3, y1 1, so 3 minus 1 square, 3 minus 1 square. So we get 0 minus 3 gives minus 3 square, 3 square 9 plus 3 minus 1 gives 2 and 2 square gives 4. So we get under root 13. So here we get equation number 1, then we get equation number 2. Then find out distance between C to D. CD is equals to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So see here the coordinate of C is x1 y1 and D is minus 1 minus 4. So minus 1 0 square, we get minus 1 square, we can write directly, plus minus 4 minus 3 square, it means minus 7 square. Is it clear? So we get 1 plus 49 because 7 square gives 49. So we get a square root of 50. Next and last, find out distance between A to D or D to A. See, so DA or AD, we can write DA or AD. So square root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So here coordinate of D is x1 y1 and A is x2 y2. So we get minus 3 plus 1 square. Yes or no? Minus 3 plus 1 square plus y2 minus y1, it means 5 plus 4 square, 5 plus 4 square. So we get, see, minus 3 plus 1, it means minus 2 square, minus 2 square gives 4 plus 5 plus 4 9, 9 square 81. So we get a square root 85. So is known as equation number 3 and DA is equation number 4. Now see, from equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay, from equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, we can write AB does not equal to BC, okay, because AB is square root 52, B is square root 13. Whenever find out the square root of 52, so we get 13 2s are, yes or no, sorry, 13 4s are 52. So we can write 2 root 13, yes or no, but it's not same. Then CD is square root 50, okay, and DA is square root 85. It means all sides are different, does not equal to CD, does not equal to DA. It means we can write, it can be observe that all sides are of the different length, it means therefore it doesn't form any quadrilateral, okay, any quadrilateral, because all sides are different. Okay, next question number 3. Here given that A 45, B 76, C 43 and D is 1 2. Okay, so same as above, find out distance. So first find out A B. So we get under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So here coordinate of A is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2. So we get under root 7 minus 4 square plus 6 minus 5 square, 6 minus 5 square. So we get 7 minus 4 gives 3 and 3 square 9 plus 6 minus 5 gives 1 and 1 square gives 1. So we get under root 10 is known as equation number 1. Next find out distance between B to C. So we get square root x2 minus, okay, so BC equals to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square is equals to, now see, coordinate of B is x1 y1 and C is x2 y2. So we get 4 minus 7 square plus 3 minus 6 square. So we get under root 4 minus 7, it gives minus 3 square 9 plus 3 minus 6 gives again minus 3 and minus 3 square 9. So we get under root 18, known as equation number 2. Then find out distance between C to D. So CD equals to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square under root, now see, here coordinate of C is x1 y1 and D is x2 y2. It gives 1 minus 4 square plus 2 minus 3 whole square. So we get 1 minus 4, it gives minus 3 square 9 plus 2 minus 3 gives minus 1, but minus 1 square gives 1. So we get again under root 10. Next find out distance between A to D. So AD equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So here coordinate of A is x1 y1 and D is x2 y2, like x1 y1 x2 y2 for AD. Okay, so we get under root 1 minus 4 square plus 2 minus 5 square. So we get 1 minus 4 gives minus 3 and minus 3 square gives 9 plus 2 minus 5, it gives again minus 3 and minus 3 square 9. So we get under root 18 is known equation number 3 and is known equation number 4. Now see, from equation 1, 2, 3 and 4 we can say AB equal to CD and BC equal to AD, yes or no? So also we are going to find out diagonals. Okay, it means find out A to C and B to D. Okay, so find out A to C. So we get x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. It means 4 minus 4 square, 4 minus 4 square plus 3 minus 5 square. So we get 4 minus 4 gives 0, 0 square 0, so no need to write. And 3 minus 5 means minus 2, minus 2 square gives 4. So we get under root 4 and square root of 4 is 2. Is it clear? And last we are going to find out, it is known as equation number 5. Next and last, find out distance between B to D. Okay, B to D, B to D. So write down coordinate of B and C over here. B coordinate of B is 7 6 and D is 1 2. Okay, so x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So we get 1 minus 7 whole square plus 2 minus 6 whole square. So we get under root 1 minus 7, it gives minus 6, minus 6 square 36 plus 2 minus 6, it means minus 4 and 4 square 16. So we get 6 plus 6 12, 3 4 5, we get 52. So square root of 52 gives 13 fours, it means 2 square root 13. Yes or no? Now see, is known as equation number 6. Now see, here diagonals are same but opposite sides are equal. It means we can write, it can be observed that all sides are of the same length. Is it clear? But diagonals are different. Yes or no? So therefore the given points are the vertices of a parallelogram. Okay, is it clear? I hope you understood. Thank you.